fantastic group of entrepreneurs to be able to take those innovations that they're working on and bring those to bear on patients. And I think ultimately that's what we're all working for here.
Dose to the Valley is an opportunity for really early stage companies from across Canada to come down to the Bay Area for 2 days of intensive programming that we put together as the chance for them to test their business ideas, get some early networking opportunities, and really find out if California is the right place for them to do business. We look at this as the first conversation, an opportunity for companies to engage down here, and we hope that it continues.
We really want to understand how we can export our technology outside of Canada. The connection that we got with WSGR and the presentations about how should you structure a company that is partly in Canada and the US. I think this is really going to help us drive basically the overall strategy of our company.
This is my first time in the city, and we got such candid advice, which is such a great starting point to then develop the company in a way that does align with what the market need is, what the industry looks for, and what investors will invest into.
Fantastic program because of how intimate it was. Not that many companies, lots of mentors, great spaces, small spaces, which really kind of was like a forcing function, getting people to speak and open up. Made some great connections across the board, from investors to mentors to experienced operators, people with deep connections in the Bay Area and San Francisco. So, I mean, I give this an A+ rating.
This is really a giant first step of many, many more to come. So yeah, I can't say enough good things about it, and can't wait to come back.